In this movie 2.2 we will see how to wire and program 3 of 6 ultrasonic sensors. 2 of them look left and 1 looks forward. After proper programming, the robot can follow an obstacle on one of its sides, as you can see in this movie. We will concentrate on these 3 sensors. This sensor looks for the object which appears at an angle of 90 degrees with the direction of travel. We have to program a threshold value for this sensor. If an object appears in a distance which is shorter than defined threshold 90 and longer than 0 centimeters, the robot will turn left. After that, another sensor starts to see the object. This sensor looks for object which appears at an angle of 30 degrees with the direction to travel. We have to program a threshold value for it too. The robot continues to turn left until sensor on the front notices the object. Then, based on threshold min and threshold max values, the robot decides what it will do, whether it wants to go forward or backward. We have been talking about it before in the movie 2.1. You can find all links in description below. We added 2 ultrasonic sensors to our wiring diagram. And solder some extra pins to motor shield board. Before we go to programming window, I will show a diagram which presents the way we will program our conditions. Let's say that these blue boxes are our if conditions. In order to follow the object properly, we have to set up priorities to if conditions. Our objective is to make the robot follow or avoid an object, but it can't do this if this object is on the side. So first we have to make the robot turn towards the object and after that make it follow or avoid this object. Sensor with highest angle gets highest priority. After if condition, else. If condition for sensor with angle of 30 degrees, else. There are 3 conditions with lowest priority and we have discussed them in previous movie 2.1. So all these conditions look like one giant if condition. Do not program if conditions as independent conditions because it will not work. I use new pink library for sensors and AF motor for motor shield. An array of 3 ultrasonic sensors. Definition of 2 motors and speed. Threshold values for sensors. Start delay. Condition for sensor 90 degrees, highest priority, it checks first. Else, 30 degrees, lower priority, it checks after the first one. Else, and lowest priority sensor which looks forward. And at this point we close all the brackets.